SEO can be overwhelming for beginners. Start with understanding keywords. Keywords are search queries people use. Identify keywords using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Choose keywords with high volume and low competition. Include them naturally in titles and content. Avoid keyword stuffing. Optimize title tags and meta descriptions. Title should reflect page content. Include main keyword in the title. Meta descriptions influence click-through rates. Create compelling meta descriptions. Focus on producing quality content. Google prioritizes original and helpful content. Ensure content solves problems or answers questions. Internal linking helps site navigation and authority. Link to relevant pages within your site. Website speed and mobile friendliness are crucial. Use page speed insights to test website performance. Make your site mobile optimized for smartphone traffic. Build backlinks from reputable websites. Guest posting and niche engagement attract backlinks. Share useful content on social media. SEO requires patience and consistency. Beginner-friendly strategies can improve traffic. Persistence leads to better visibility.